Hello, Jeff, and everyone over there at HP Roofing Pro. My name is Charles. You had spoken to my colleague Chrisita, and this is the video that she promised that we would send you guys over. Um, I just wanted to give you 3 tips on how to capitalize on your already existing asset, which is your website, and optimize it so that you can receive more and more leads without having to pay for them through services like Angie's List, etc. Why am I doing this? Well, I realized a lot of business owners these days don't have enough time to actually optimize their websites and draw in leads, so they end up paying for a lot of Google ads and paying these platforms like Home Advisor, etc. And all the time they're sitting on what could be a gold mine if it's optimized for Google. These days about 90% of people search for local services around their area using Google. And for example, if I was looking for a roofing contractor in San Diego, typical search, if you don't know the name of the company, would be roofing contractor San Diego, using that keyword phrase. And we know, I think the statistics are about 70% of people do not leave the first page, meaning they'll click on some business here on the first page. So it's important, especially once you get to see the volume of people who are searching for your service that you provide in your local area. So the 3 tips I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. To start off with, content is everything that's on your page. All the text, all the words behind the images, including what your images are saved as. For example, this picture right here, you can see that it's saved as just roof maintenance with the number of pixels. It's important to save your pictures with keywords that Google will recognize and know that you're authoritative enough to put you in front of what your target audience is searching for. So to optimize with Google, it's good to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your website. I think you're almost to 1,000 words, which is good, which is great. By authoritative, I mean text that shows what you do, who you are, the services you provide, locations where you provide these services. And also, it's important to have your text saturated with the keywords I was talking about, the phrases that you want to target, that you think your target clients will be using to look for your services. So for content, 1,000 to 1,500 words. Make sure your pictures are saved with correct keywords. Make sure your text is saturated with keywords. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, coming back to the search, once you search for a keyword, especially if it's location based, what you will find, first, the results are usually Google ads. Now, with Google ads, they're always hit or miss because a lot of people these days have ad blockers, and you may miss out on that part of the market. Right below the Google ads are what's called the map pack, with a map and 3 businesses here. How do you rank in this area right here? Well, it has to do with citations. Citations are anywhere across the internet, in directories across the internet, that your name, address, and phone number are cited in those directories. And I'm talking about directories like Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yext, Dexnos, Angie's List, etc. The higher quality and the higher volume of citations you have, the higher you'll rank in this map pack area. There are tools out there that you can analyze your competitors' citations and match them. Get yourself in those directories that your competitors are in. But not only that, I would encourage you to probably double or at least beat them by 50 citations or more, so that you remain at the top of the map pack here. The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and that has to do with the organic listings section, which is right below the map pack. So Jeff, with backlinks, if you think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is a link going from one web page directing traffic to your web page. So let's say there's a forum for roofing companies in San Diego, and they have a blog with a link towards you. That's a good backlink. If there's an ice cream company in Philadelphia that links to you, that's not that Google sees that as a spammy backlink because completely different niches. So there are different tools out there that you can use. I use a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool to analyze competitions backlinks and websites. So if I take your competition here, just one of them on the front page, and I put them into Ahrefs. This is the popular tool I was talking about. I can analyze their backlinks and look at all the keywords they rank for and look at their organic traffic. They get about 559 people visiting here per month because they're ranking for all of these keywords. Now, this is the importance of keywords I was talking about. San Diego Roofing Company, there are 400 people who search for that every month. They get 45 people coming in because they're in third position. So if I take a look at this one keyword by domain, I can see the traffic share, and I could tell, in fact, I can just search here for your HP. Here we go. You're in position 62 for this one keyword. If we build on your backlinks, citations, your content, you'll be able to rank more, rank better, and steal some of this traffic from all your from your competitors. And you can see that's quite a bit, and that's only for one keyword. Now let's go back to your competitor and look for another, just one more example. Roofers in San Diego. 300 people look for that every month. Your competitors who are in position 6 get 17 people from that. So for just those two searches, Roofers San Diego and San Diego Roofing Company, that's 45 plus 17 people coming every month to their website. That's why it's important to be able to build your website saturated with as many keywords, include enough content, improve your citations, and improve on your backlinks so that you can start to take this traffic that's already searching for your services in your location. Thanks a lot, Jeff. Those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content. If you like what I've said, hand this over to your SEO people, have them work on this and get you organic traffic without having to pay for leads or pay for advertising in other areas. If you think I have more tricks up my sleeve, please feel free to reply to this email, or you can call me on at Warley Digital. My number is up here. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.